To model cap highlight, the process is same as body and cone highlight. What we gonna do is select the front plane, select sketch, select rectangle, draw the rectangle now, and this rectangle for construction. Okay, so the dimension also same. It's 26.9. This one is 16.7. Enter. Select OK. Again, sketch on front plane. Select center line. Do the cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. And select the line for baseline. 2. Make sure this line is midpoint. In midpoint. Coincident with midpoint. Coincident. Select the arc. This one. Make sure this arc is coincident with this point. This point. Important. This center of arc is coincident with this line. This arc, the dimension is 10. Arc 10. Select another arc. This arc is red. Coincident here and equal to this arc. Equal. Make sure it coincident again. Okay. Now fully defined. Click OK. So after that, we need to create new plane. New plane in the front. I mean this area. So to do so, we again select top plane, select sketch, select center line. This line, the length for this line is 29.9. Enter. Okay. So to create new plane, go to reference geometry, select plane, first reference, select this line, second, select this vertex. Okay. So this plane, select sketch, select this rectangle, and pick at for construction. Select dimension. This dimension is gonna be 20 and height is 11.5. 11.5. 20, 11.5. Select OK. So select OK. One more time. For this plane 1, sketch. Select center line. Make it cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you see, it's not happening. So we just click this vertex, hold shift, select this line, coincident. This one, coincident. This one, coincident. You see, this one is slightly slanting, so we must make sure it meet and in the midpoint or it's straight. So just to make midpoint. You see, here is for midpoint, here is straight. Also consider it's midpoint. This one also midpoint. See? So here another one. One line here, one line here. Make sure it in middle. Midpoint. Midpoint. Select R. This one. Oh, sorry. This one not touching. Not touching, don't worry. You select this one vertex, this vertex, and select merge here. So become like that. So this one and this one select coincident. Oh, it's too bad. But still can repair. Okay. This point for this circle. I mean center of this circle. So select center of this circle, select the line and coincident. Smart dimension for this one is 10. 10. 10. Okay, also same this one. Shift coincident. So now settle. Hide. I hide plane 1. This one also hide. This one also hide. So only left center line 1, back profile, front profile. So what we gonna do next is we select top plane, select sketch. Oh, select top view. Now I'm gonna take R or curve. This one. 1, 2. You see here is we still can play. Here also we can play. Here can play. Here can play. So I want to lock this vertex to this line. So I select this line. I hold shift, select this vertex, and select this pierce 1. Also same to go here. Pierce. Here same. Here also same. Okay. So now we cannot move already this time. So this we select center line, make it straight or horizontal. Or vertical. Horizontal like this, vertical like this. So this one make it tangent. And make sure these two is same. Just select this post, make it same. So fully defined. Enter. For right plane also same. Right plane maybe I will change this one. I will do just straight. I think straight much better. Straight. This locked already. The point is merged already to that point. So now it cannot move. No need pierce. Okay. Sketch. At bottom sketch, select 3D sketch, select line. This point to this point. This point, this point, this point to this point, this to this. Okay. Settle. Now we want to do loft pose. Go to features, select loft pose, the profile, select front profile, select back profile. Now we have it. And select the guide curve. We have 8 guide curve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 guide curve. Okay. We have this shape already. Now one more time we're gonna do fillet, and this fillet time is variable fillet. Select variable fillet. Select the edge we want to do fillet. Which one is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the radius for this fillet is front is 3, at the back is 5. So I just press 5 first. Set all. So become like that. So make sure this one is isometric view, so easy for you to trace where is the point like this. This one is at the back, this one is in the front. So this radius is 3. This radius also 3. This radius also 3. This radius also 3. Okay. Now we have the shape. What we're gonna do more is fillet. This fillet is 1 mm. It's constant fillet. Symmetry 1 mm. Okay. Okay. So now we set the front part already. At the back, select the surface, select sketch. I want the original original sketch for this profile. So I go to Loft back, I select sketch tool, I convert entities. After that, I offset this entities to 1.4. Enter. But in reverse, make sure it base geometry. And I cut by extrude cut. Need to extrude cut, 3.3. Okay. Settle. After that, this one also need to sketch. Also do offset. This one I just straight away offset the profile. You can do also 0.8 reverse. Press OK. This time cut extrude by 5 mm. Extrude cut by 5 mm. Okay. Now we do is fillet. Fillet R4. R4 for this inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because later we will do loft cut inside of this cap. So we see from top, front, side, and at the back. Okay, so we go to top back. Now we start to do loft cut. This line, make sure it appears for you to make new line. Okay, go to top line, select sketch, select center line. Okay, so now we gonna do new plane at this vertex. So the distance from this cap, this at the back to this new plane is 17. 17. Enter. Okay. So we do already this line. So this line at like vertex 4. This one. We only use this vertex. So to do that, go to reference geometry, select plane, select this long line, and select this vertex. So now we have new plane. Okay. As you know, inside here is solid. What loft cut do is we want to remove this solid part into profile. Later we will do the profile. Okay. At plane 2, we sketch the diameter, the circle with the diameter 8.5. 8.5. Enter. Okay. 8.5. In this plane, I can hide already. So this surface, I'm gonna do sketch. One more. Cover entities. Okay. So it's very difficult to see, right? So I gonna hide this solid. This solid. Gonna hide. Okay. So what we have here only two profile. Bottom, back and front, but inside. Okay. So we go to top plane, select sketch. So the profile for top view is like this. 1, 2. Okay. This can move. Select this vertex. Hold shift. Select pierce. This one also say pierce. This one pierce. This one also pierce. This time, this one must be equal. And this radius is 20 maybe. Okay. No, not nice. I put 18. Okay. 18, okay. So now I go to right plane. Right plane, sketch 1, 2. You cannot see, right? I go like that. Like this. This point to this line. This vertex to this line. Pierce. This vertex to this line. Pierce. Vertex this line. Pierce. Pierce. Okay. Now this one is equal. But this curve I want to have tangent with horizontal line. Tangent. Okay. This one horizontal line tangent. Click OK. Now we show back the solid part. So here you see got line blue. So right click over here and click show. Like that. This line, this sketch is the part that we want to remove inside the solid. So we're gonna do first we click loft the cut. The profile, select the profile, sketch profile. One more is this circle. Then we select kite curve. This kite curve we have four, only four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kite curve. Okay, now you see it happened. Ta-da! See? Okay, before cut loft is solid like this. After we do cut loft, like this. Okay, so here we sketch one more, convert into this, features, we extrude cut. We extrude cut by 27.5. Wow! Oh, sorry. We need offset from this surface. Offset from this surface. But that direction is 27.5 from this surface. That direction. And one more is we have draft angle by 3 degrees. Okay. Done. So now to settle inside is we take the fillet. We fillet here by 1 mm. Part 1. Okay. See? We see the line view like this. So after that we go to side view. Select cross view because now we gonna do one more hook over here. Yes, over here. We're gonna create one hook to counter the cone hook to make sure this one is fit tightly. So we go to right pane, select sketch, select this surface, select intersection curve. Make sure this intersection curve is for construction. Later it will disturb your sketch, or you want to revolve, you cannot revolve because it's solid. So we create new line axis, new line axis, new axis. So create new arc. This arc, make sure we have this a bit solid up, and create one more center line. This time this center line must be parallel to this line. Select these two lines and select parallel, and the distance between these two lines is 1.5. 1.5. Wait. 0.15. Sorry. 0.15. Okay. So this line, this one is 0.8. This curve and this line is tangent. So the distance between this line to here is only 1.4. So now we can revolve pause. Select feature, revolve pause. Okay. Now it's happened. See, this is the counter hook. Later we will study how this counter hook is worked on the con. So now settled already. So now I'm gonna teach you how to use surface, how to delete surface, surface, surface. Okay, to do that, first we need select the surface where we want to cut. First, this surface. This surface. I'm gonna cut this surface. So which means I must select top plane. Top plane, select sketch. I create this profile. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And one more center line at the center. No, sorry, it's not at the center. This line add us to cut this profile in between the center. So this dimension up to here is 8 mm. Here to here is 4 mm. 4 mm. And this wide is 10 mm. Sure, this one is free. So here I'm gonna do fillet. Oh, 10 is too much. It's not 10. It's 4 only. R4. Here R4. Okay. Here is R3. Okay. So now I have the profile already. So what I'm gonna do is go to picture, select curve, select split line. So now it's current sketch. Selection is current sketch, which means this profile. This is selection for surface. So I choose this surface. I click OK. Now we have that profile on top of this surface. So we go to surface, we select delete face. Selection. So I'm gonna delete this surface, this face. Click OK. Now we have like that. Now this part is not solid anymore. It becomes surface. You see, before I delete surface, see, it's solid. After I delete surface, it's not become solid. It just surface. So next step is view from front. We go to front plane, select sketch, select this line, select convert entire entities, and this line also convert entities. Mean we take this line and this line to convert entities. So this two line is for construction. So I create one more line to join these two lines, which means I want to create one line become like that, slow down and come back here. Okay. After that is I select OK. Go to top plane, select sketch. I select this profile. Maybe I just select convert entities first. Entities to convert, I select this one, this one, this one. Select OK. So I have this profile, I have this profile. Select OK. So to do so, I go to features, select curve, select project curve. So make sure you tick on sketch on sketch. Sketch on sketch, not sketch on face. Because we have one sketch, two sketch. Select one sketch, select another sketch. So we have this line, the yellow line. Select OK. So see, we have this line. Now I want to make this one become surface. To join this line to this line. this profile. So I go to sketch, I go to surface, so I select loft surface. So the profile I want to select is one. This one is all auto selected, but for part like this, you must right click selection manager. So you has here. So we take on the select group because this one for line, this one for face, this one you can control where you want to click. So we select group 1, 2, 3. Okay, but it's not happen because these two line is like this. Then we take this 1 point, go to here. See, it become face, become surface. We select OK. Now become surface. We have surface already. So this curve I just hide for a moment. So now I go to loft again, loft surface. Remember, surface, loft surface. It's not features. So the profile I want is this one and this one. So I select guide surface, this one, and another one guide surface is here. See, become like that. So select OK. Now all is closed already. This closed, no hole already. This surface, this surface, this surface. So we go to surface, we select connect surface. We select all these three surface, 1, 2, 3. We create. We select merge entities and create solid, which means we convert back to solid. Select OK. Now become solid. See, we have the material inside here already. Where it is, super things. So I want to have this profile at this side also, but in rotation. So what I can do is I go to side, just because this one to this one is just mirror, so I just go to side view. I select right plane, select sketch, select line, one new line, make new profile, and I extrude cut. Blind, it's not blind, I just threw off both sides. Okay, now we have half side like this one. So this line, we're gonna use this line as circular pattern. So we choose circular pattern. So it's not features but body. So this body, we choose this body. So the direction is this line. Wow, it have 4. Actually 2 only. See, 2. Now it's in rotation mode. So just click OK. So you can see here on the top. So now what we can do, actually we need to put some fillet over here. So I go back to here. Before circular pattern, I fillet first. So to do like that, I just go to fillet, go to variable fillet, select this line. So here must be 0. Here must be 0. Here is 1. And OK. So after that, we can turn back to circular pattern. So as you can see, we have this line. This line, edit picture back. They don't have. So we must combine these two body. To do so, we go to we go to insert, go to features, select combine. Where is combine? Here. Select combine, tick add body to combine, select 1, select 2. So these two combine. Set OK. Now it's combined already. Oh, here we must do some fillet. Fillet is 4 maybe. Oh, it's not. It's constant fillet. Constant fillet 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So settle. Here also we need to have chamfer. Select chamfer. Just like that. 0.5. No. I think 0.5 is better. Or maybe I just put 0.7. Okay. Okay, now we finish the cap for highlight. Pen highlight caps is done. From view, top view, side view, back view, and isometry. So we see for no line. See, we have one profile for creep profile. This is called creep profile. So that's all for this one.